doing?
I already started the video.
Doesn't matter, go on. Play.
So put the garlic in now.
Yeah, first of all, what are we
Okay.
making?
Okay, we're making the black bean sauce and
Chicken and black bean
chicken and
sauce.
black bean sauce. Yeah, I need that.
Yep, Chinese style. So what we got? We got onions.
Pepper and
So you chop up the onions
yeah.
and you basically put the onions. Switch to
You can't put the camera on.
this is the gelatin sauce, right? So what we do? We basically chop some onion and some garlic. First we put the onion in a pan, heat up the pan with oil, put the onion in. Yeah, put the onion
And then
in.
next you put in the garlic.
And then once the onion is slightly cooked, in a slightly kind of creamy color, then we put the garlic in. So now you've just joined us at the stage where we're
Processing the garlic and the onions.
processing. Yes, we are cooking. So just waiting for it to be it's a bit more brownish. And once that's done, we'll start putting the chicken in. Oh, we forgot the ginger actually. We should put the ginger paste. Okay.
I've got the chicken here as well, and yeah. So then peppers, yeah. And of course the stuff that I just recorded earlier. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. What else we got? Ginger, as Dad's doing now, so it's all good. Oh, Babby's back. What are you doing, Babby? Huh? Just spinning the floor. Okay. Yeah. You just be you, Babby. So just
Added garlic to it, and you can see the onions nearly ready.
by the time we've done the onions, we put in the sauce, right? You can just say it's fine.
I said
yeah.
fine.
Yeah, I think it should be okay. Should be okay. The sauce should go next, I think.
You don't want it. You don't want it burning. You don't want to burn it. You just want it to brown. Because if you burn it, then it's going to taste bitter. So make sure you're
Yeah,
turning
and
it a bit.
no one likes bitter food. Neither do I.
Okay. Chicken.
And it's about to go in.
And put chicken in. This is it.
Get by bit.
Bit by bit. Okay.
Although one of them is gonna be quite uneven because obviously someone gets cooked first and someone will get cooked. Yeah. So
You see there's a bit on there.
do I put more oil in or yeah, just like this is too much. Ten. Okay, 9 is good.
So we're adding the chicken bit by bit.
And then we'll put a little bit less. And yeah. It's gone really good with the sauce in. So. Alright, so chicken's in. It's nearly done. Some bits aren't really cooked yet, so yeah. I was saying my vlogging skills aren't too good yet, but they'll get better eventually. Yeah, they'll
Hopefully it's better than your cooking skills.
don't worry,
Or your
that's my
cooking skills better than your vlogging skills.
good say. It's very, very nice, Dad. Very, very nice. And it was. That was the rest of it, and then we had like an extra jar. So, and then You just scrape the rest of that in there. Oh, really? The water. Water does not go with that. Peppers in. Spoon in. You stir it. And then it all works. Just right. Now the soy sauce is going in, so I'm gonna start stirring that head. Hold it on to it. Then I'm gonna stir that part in. Yeah, the side, middle as well. So the I can also get soy sauce. What do you want? What do you want, you little baby poo? You're a city boy. And we're done. Yeah.